Centerpoint Sniper 370 crossbow. It comes with the foot stirrup, the quiver, cocking rope, scope, stock, the compound bow, and the strap. First, when you're assembling, you get the cable slide. It's this piece right here. The cable slide attaches to the cables on the bow. Then you get the joint cap. Now I'm going to be taking off the sticky part of the joint cap. So there we go. Then you attach the joint cap like so. There you go. Then you put the stock as you start to attach it to the bow. But you got to make sure that you have it in there so you can put in the joint cap. And as you can see, I have my piece ready to attach to the bow. Now you can do it the way that I did. I just have it set in so I can put the joint cap right in the middle. So here's my joint cap. All right, once it's attached, it should be just like this. Now this piece is called the limb screw. Now I got some of these bolts and screws. I'm going to start attaching the head of the bow to make sure that it stays on. It took me a while to get the Allen key, and then you twist it all the way on, but once you twist it and it's locked, the limb screw is locked in there and it holds the bow in place. Just tightening it up right here. All right. I already have the quiver attachment put on. Now I just gotta screw it on, but the quiver goes on. Some people do attach the quiver, some don't, but I'm gonna attach the quiver onto here. As you can see, I have this thing attached, and you can see my foot stirrups already attached. That's an easy thing to attach, just as long as you have the screws to attach to it. Now I'm going to attach the scope next. So once you have everything attached, for instance the strap, then you start putting on the scope. Just make sure that all your screws are with you. Then you just use the Allen key, you set it up, level it out. There you go. I'm just going to start them off by hand, and then I'm going to use my Allen key to tighten them up. There, right there. Scope's attached. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward on how to attach this together. Just like that, the Centerpoint Sniper 370 compound bow is ready to go, ready to hunt. And voila.